So when you receive your kit, it has a sheet that shows how to lay them out. And what I like is to have all your lighter values on one side, more your mid-tones, and then the darker values on the other side. So when you're working in the light area, you know to only grab pastels that are on your left. And if you're working in mid-tones in the middle, and if you're working in your shadows, then you know only on the right. And if you have a color that you want to mix a color, let's say you've got a green and you want to make it less green, you're going to pick something inside. You want to blue it up a little, you'll pick something in that same range so that the two will actually mix together nicely. Or if you have a blue and you want to tone it down a little bit and neutralize it, you'll know, whoopsie, you'll know which colors. Now we get a nice grayer blue instead of a bright blue, because you're going to take colors in the same value as the first one. So it's laid out in value. Now occasionally they have to substitute a color that is on the list, and they'll find something very close to it so that you have what I intended for you to have.